In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Jotform tables to its default view, which is a quick and efficient process that only takes a few minutes. If you've ever customized your columns or rearranged them and need to revert to the original setup for consistency or clarity, this tutorial is for you. First, let's begin by navigating to jotform.com. When you get to the sign-in page, you have several options to log in. You can choose to sign in with Google, Microsoft, or simply use your email address and password. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your Jotform workspace. This is where you'll find all your forms and tables, and where everything begins. Now, let's move forward and open the specific table we want to reset. From your workspace, head over to the Tables section by locating the drop-down menu next to the Jotform logo in the upper left corner. Click this drop-down and then select My Tables from the options presented. This will provide you with a list of all your tables. Next, find the table you intend to reset. You can do this by clicking on the table's name. Once the table is open, you'll notice three small dots, commonly referred to as the ellipsis icon, right next to the table's name tab. Click on these three dots, which will reveal a menu with several actions you can take. Among these options, you'll see something labeled Reset Columns to Default. This is exactly what we're looking for, so go ahead and select it. At this point, Jotform will prompt you to confirm this action. It's always a good practice to double check before proceeding with such changes to ensure you are resetting the correct table. If everything looks good, click Reset to proceed. Upon doing so, the columns within your table, along with their order, will revert to the default configuration, aligning with the original fields from the form. Any custom columns that you may have manually added will automatically relocate to the rightmost side of the table. This feature is particularly useful because it aligns the table columns back with the form's field labels and their original order. This synchronization significantly enhances the manageability and consistency of your data. Resetting your table view can greatly simplify your workflow, ensuring that everything is neat and as initially designed, which is often crucial when sharing your tables for collaborative work or when preparing data for presentations. And that's about it. You've now successfully reset your Jotform tables view to its default setting. Thank you for watching, and be sure to reach out if you have questions or need further assistance.